The Mongolian Collections, Retracing Hans Leder exhibition is being unveiled at the Bogdan Palace Museum by researcher and social anthropologist Maria Katrina Lang. First set foot in Mongolia in 1892 as an entomologist, Austrian researcher Hans Leder had developed a serious interest in Mongolian ethnology and Buddhism as he conducted a series of exploration through the country between 1899 and 1905. A recently developed historic map showing Hans Leder's travel routes, as well as the graphical map expressing his network of finding artifacts, is two of the most interesting exhibits. More than 4,500 artifacts collected by Hans Leder are being conserved in the ethnological museums of Vienna, Budapest, Leipzig, Stuttgart, and Berlin. The exhibition also has a photographic section expressing the shift of Buddhist monasteries from being religious places to becoming museums, and then in 1990, with the arrival of political and religious freedom in Mongolia, how the monasteries became complexes for both religious rites and museum activities.